Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel SkillDouble. In this video, I'm going to quickly let you know how to use the count function, count a function, and COUNTIF function. So let's begin. So if you use count, I will show it to you. So count, and the syntax is you have to open the bracket and select all the rows from which you want to do the count. So if you use count function and select the rows that you want, it's giving you two as of now. So in this particular column, you can see that there are only two rows which has number value. So it will only take into consider these two rows, and it will give the answer as 2, because it only takes into consideration the numeric values in the column. I hope you understood count. Next, let's move to count A. So for that, you have to just change count to count A, and same select the entire rows which you need. I'm selecting the entire 10 rows that I have here, and it showed me 10. So it is taking consideration everything, like the numeric value as well as the alphabetical values. So if the row has any value, any sort of value, it is taking into consideration and it is adding up, and it has given me the answer as 10. Now let's move to COUNTIF. COUNTIF is kind of a conditional function. So if, for example, if you use COUNTIF and open the bracket, give the range, and now give the criteria. So criteria as in, for example, I want the total to come up if the row has value that is late. So if I want something like that, so I will do this. Make sure you put that word into inverted commas because it's in alphabetical. Here we go. So it is showing me as 2. Correct. So it's only taking into consideration and totaling up the rows which has value that is late. So here you can see late, and here also we have late. Two rows have late. That's why it is giving us 2. Now, if you want to just change and you want to see like how many are have the value like on time. So for that, you need to remove late. Uh, just change it to on time, and then enter 4. So there are 4. Let's see, cross check 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is how you can put into use count function, count a function, and countif function. You might have also seen the differences of these three functions. They are not same. I hope you got some value from this video. If yes, then share this video with your friends, like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel for such informative videos. Thank you guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.